You know, we talk about the health care bill, and we talk about the recent health care bill, and we talk about, you know, the recent financial legislation. But you know, the health care bill, and I've talked to some doctors, and let me tell you something. Doctors are a little upset about it. I got this from a physician today, and it says, say no to Obamacare. Say no to Cyril Rodriguez, Charlie Gonzalez, Henry Cuellar. Vote this November and tell your friends Dr. Rowland. I met with Dr. Rowland today. He had this on the back of his laptop. And everywhere he went, he says, well, wherever I go, I do it like this. And I set it up. And he says, and I've talked to 400 or 500 people in the last couple of weeks. And every time I talk to them, I say, do this. Physicians are not happy. What we have done is create a massive tax bill, not a medical care bill, not even an insurance reform bill. There are 17 new taxes in that bill. It's designed on the model of the Internal Revenue Service. Doctors are going to be penalized the same way you're penalized for failing to pay your taxes if they don't follow the regulations that are promulgated under that bill. It's going to be IRS medicine, not medical practice. It's a tax bill. And by the way, if you make over $200,000 a year and you sell your house, there's a 3.8% tax on the sale of your house in that bill. I don't know if you knew that or not. Just happen to have a little real estate tax in there. All the real estate in America.